Hello guys, welcome back to Circle Lounge, and we're in the prep section of our very small bar today, because what I'll be showing you how to make today is our coconut spiced version of the Chairman's Reserve Spiced. As you can see, it kind of gives it a little bit of a colour there, and it also like thickens it a little and makes it taste like brilliant coconut, but real coconut, not sweetened coconut. So let's get down to it. I'll show you how. Come with me. What we've got over here is we've got Chairman's Reserve Spiced, obviously, that one's untouched. And we've got a measurer, just so we know how much we're putting in. We've got a cream charger, as well, with all the nozzles and everything like that. You need one of the little canisters, the nitrous oxide canisters, to put in there. And also our coconut, so we're using desiccated coconut because there's more surface area, so it just gets all the flavour in a lot quicker. So to start with, 350 millilitres, Chairman's Reserve. I want us to get a desiccated coconut. And the ratio is about, we're using 1 to 2 roughly, so really nice and simple. Get our coconut measurer, and then we'll put however much Chairman's we put in, we put exactly half of that in as well. Because we don't want it too coconutty, but we do want it to obviously get the flavour. Now we've probably got room for a little more Chairman's Reserve, so I'm going to get another bottle and put some more in. Where are you? Where are you? There you are. Oh. Yes. Should be about right. Put that in there. I'm going to screw our top on like this. So this completely seals it, which is what we want. Yeah, get that nice and tight. And then this is where our knot comes in, the nitrous oxide. So we're getting the other end of this and then sticking that on there, and then you're twisting it on like that. Right tight until you hear there you go. Now all the nitrous oxide is in there, so you want to give it a really good shake. Get all that coconut in there. So basically what the nitrous oxide is for in here is, normally if you're making an infusion, it might take days, weeks, however long. But what this does is this completely speeds up the process. So just like a pressure cooker makes everything so much quicker, this pressure infuses it all together with the nitrous oxide, and then you can do it within hours. I could have put another nitrous oxide canister and put in so it really pushed it all together, but I'm in no rush for time, so get that in the fridge there. All we do now is wait for a few hours, and then when we come back, we're getting out all the gas. Then we'll have our coconut pressure infused coconut rum. We've done our patient waiting. We've waited for an hour, and we're now ready to take this out of the canister. You don't want it to explode everywhere if you just unscrew it, because it will explode everywhere because it's just all pressurized. So you want to cover the top like this and then let all the gas out. Fingers crossed all of the gas is actually out. Yes, it did not explode everywhere on us. We got lucky today. Oh yeah, smells like good and coconutty. The coconut is still all in here, and it's absorbed it all the rum as well. So what we wanted to do is, wanted to sieve all that out, press it all down, and get as much rum as we can out of the leftover coconut. Now I've squeezed all it out, but we don't want to be getting rid of all this coconut, because we can use that as the garnish on the actual cocktail as well. Rum soaked coconut. Woo! Didn't actually waste that much at all really here of how much we put in. But the real test now is the taste test. So let's have a look. That's great. No sweetness at all coconut, but you've still got that beautiful chairman spice in there as well. Cheers! The coconut spiced rum that is homemade by us at Circle Lounge.